Hello students, before going to start the class, let's do homework problems. So here a value 8 d 4 n 15 a n equals to question mark. So let us write the a n formula. A n equals to a plus n minus 1 into, so let us substitute. So a n is required answer. A n equals to a value 8 plus n value 15 minus 1 into d value 4. It is equals to 8 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into 4. So here two symbols are there, one is plus, another one into. As per the BODMAS rule, first we have to do the multiplication. Okay, so first do the multiplication. 8 plus 14 4s are 4 4 is 16, 1 carry 56. So 8 plus 56 is 64. So then AN answer is 64. So next is second problem. A, D, AN, three values given, then asking what is the n value. So a value 0, d value minus 3, an value minus 21, n equals to question mark. And here I written the an formula. So let us substitute the given values. An value already given, that is minus 21 equals to a value 0 plus n value required answer. So n minus 1 into d value minus 3. So into minus 3. So minus 21 equals to 0 plus, so 0 plus nothing but you can remove the 0, then only n minus 1 into minus 3. So now to get the n value, minus 3 transpose to left side, but actually minus 3 is multiplying, so when you transposing to left side, it will go to denominator as it is. So minus minus cancel, 3 ones are 3 sevens are. It is equals to n minus 1. So 7 equals to n minus 1, then 7 plus 1 equals to n, so 8 equals to n, so then the required n value is 8. So next third problem, a value, n value, an value given, then what is the d value? So a 1 by 6, n 10, an 5 by 3, d question mark. So an formula a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute the given values. An value is 5 by 3 equals to a value 1 by 6 plus n value 10 minus 1 into d value required answer. So 5 by 3 equals to 1 by 6 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into d. So to get the d value, first 1 by 6 transpose to left side. So 5 by 3 minus 1 by 6 equals to 9d. So the LCM of 3 comma 6 is 6. 6 in 3 table 2s are 2 into numerator 2 into 5 minus, here denominator and LCM answer both are same, so then write numerator as it is. So 2 5s are 10 minus 1 divided by 6 equals to 9d. So 10 minus 1 is 9 by 6 equals to 9d. So 10 minus 1, 9 by 6 equals to 9d. So 9d nothing but 9 into d. So then 9 by 6 into 9d, 9 will go to denominator place, so that means into 1 by 9, it is equals to d. So 9 cancel, so 1 by 6 equals to d answer. So the required answer is 1 by 6. Next fourth problem, a value required, then d value 12, n value 13, an value 200. So here d 12, n 13, an 200, then a equals to question mark. So an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute all the values given. an equals to 200, it is equals to a value required plus n value 13 minus 1 into d value 12. So 200 equals to a plus 13 minus 1 is 12 into 12. 200 equals to a plus 12 12s are 144. So now 200 minus 144 equals to a. So 200 minus 144 is 56 equals to a. So the required answer is 56. Students, we are learning progression chapter. In this chapter there are total 5 topics. Presently we are learning second topic, that is nth term of arithmetic progression. So let us learn some more problems related to this topic in this class. So here second bit already completed. Coming to third bit, find the respective terms for the following APs. First question, A1 equals to 2, A3 equals to 26, find A2. Okay, A1 equals to 2, A1 equals to 2, but A1 is equals to A also, because A and A1 both are representing the first term of the arithmetic progression. So that is why A value how much? 2 is a value. So he gave A1 equals to 2, but A1 is representing with A also, then A value 2. Next one more value given. What is that? A3 equals to 26. A3 equals to 26. So A3 equals to 26 means in the AN formula substitute n equals to 3. So A plus 3 minus 1 into D equals to 26. So A plus 3 minus 1 is 2D equals to 26. So now substitute the A value 2 in this equation. So let us take this equation 1. Okay. So now substitute A equals to, so what is the A value? 2 in equation 1. So what is the equation 1? A plus 2D equals to 26. So A plus 2D equals to 26. A value 2 plus 2D equals to 26. Then 2D equals to 26 minus 2. Then 2D equals to 26 minus 2 is 24. So then D equals to 24 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 12s are. So D equals to 12. So D value 12. Now what he is asking, find A2 value. So A2 value. So what is the formula for A2? As per the general form of a arithmetic progression, A2 means A plus D. So A value, what is the A value? 2 is a value, plus what is the D value? 12. So 2 plus 12 is 14. So A2 value is 14. Next, coming to second problem, A2 equals to 13, A4 equals to 3. Find A1 comma A3. Find A1 comma A. So A2 equals to 13. So A2 equals to 13. But according to the general form of arithmetic progression, A2 representing with A plus D, it is equals to 13 equation 1. Equation 1. Next, A4 equals to 3. A4 equals to 3. So as per the general form of arithmetic progression, A4 means A plus 3D equals to 3. equation 2. So now you observe the both equation 1 and equation 2 containing the same variables which are a and d. So how to solve these two equations? So I am using elimination method to solve these two equations. Elimination method is actually fourth chapter topic, so observe carefully. First you have to write the equations one by one like this: a plus d equals to 13. Next a plus 3d equals to 3. So now change the symbols for the second equation. So what is the second equation? A plus 3d equals to 3 is the second equation. A is a positive, so negative. 3d is a positive, so it is a negative. Next 3 is a positive, it is also negative. Then what will happen here? Plus a and it is minus a, both will get cancelled. Now so d minus 3d, d minus 3d, d minus 3d, d minus 3d is minus 2d equals to 13 minus 3. 13 minus 3 is 10. Now let us find out the d value. Minus 2 into d equals to 10. Then d equals to 10 divided by minus 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. D equals to, here minus symbol will come for the 5. So d value minus 5. So now substitute d value in any equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. So here I am substituting in equation 1. So what is the equation 1? A plus d is equals to 13 is a equation 1. So a plus, so what is the d value? Minus 5. So a plus minus 5 equals to 13. Then a equals to 13 plus 5, a equals to 18. So a value 18 and d value minus 5. So we solve two equations and we found a and d values. But in the question, what are the values required? A1 value and A3 value. Okay. So A1. So we know very well A1 nothing but first term, that is A. So what is the A value? 18 is a value. So A1 answer completed. Next A3. A3 means what is the general form of a arithmetic progression? A3 is A plus 2D. So A value 18 plus 2 into what is the d value? Minus 5. So minus 5. 18 plus 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. So it is equals to 8. So then A3 answer is 8. A1 answer is 18 and A3 answer is 8. Next third question, A1 equals to 5, A4 equals to 9 whole 1 by 2. Find A2 comma A3. See, A1 equals to 5. A1 is denoting with A also. It is equals to 5. Next A4 equals to 9 whole 1 by 2. A4 equals to 9 whole 1 by 2. So A4 means A plus 3D from the general form of a arithmetic progression. 9 whole 1 by 2, it is a mixed fraction, so convert into improper fraction form. 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. Okay, so now substitute a equals to 5 in this equation. So 5 plus 3d equals to 19 by 2. So 3d equals to 19 by 2 minus 5. 3d equals to 5 can write as a 5 by 1, 2 is a LCM, then 19 minus 5 into 2. So 3d equals to 19 minus 5 2s are 10 divided by 2. 3d equals to 19 minus 10 is 9 divided by 2. Then d equals to 9 by 2 into 3. 3 ones are 3 3s are. So d value 3 by 2. So the d value is 3 by 2. So in the question he is asking what is A2 and A3. So A2 and A3. See here A2 nothing but A plus D. A plus D. What is the A value? 5 is the A value. Plus D value 3 by 2. It is equals to 5 can write as a by 1. 2 is a LCM. 5 into 2 plus 3. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 by 2. 10 plus 3 is 13 by 2. So it is equals to A2. So A2 value 13 by 2. Okay. Next A3. A3 means A plus 2D. It is equals to A value 5 plus 2D, 2 into D value 3 by 2. Then here 2 cancel. 5 plus 3 equals to 8. So A3 is 8 and A2 is 13 by 2. Next question, fourth one, A1 equals to minus 4, A6 equals to 6. See A1 is equals to A, it is equals to minus 4. Next A6 equals to 6, A6 equals to 6. So as per the general form of a arithmetic progression, A6 nothing but A plus 5D equals to 6. Now substitute this A value minus 4 in the equation. So then minus 4 plus 5D equals to 6. Then 5D equals to 6 plus 4. So 5D equals to 6 plus 4 how much? 10. Then D equals to 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. D equals to 2 answer. Okay. Now we have to find out A2, A3, A4, A5. So all are consecutive terms in the arithmetic progression. So first A2 value. So A2 equals to A plus D. So what is the A value? A value is minus 4 plus D value 2. So minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So A2 value minus 2. Next A3 value. So to find out the A3 value, you can use the general form of arithmetic progression. Otherwise, you can use A2 plus D, definition of arithmetic progression. So A2 is minus 2 plus D value how much? 2. So it is equals to 0. So A3 value completed. Next to A4. A4 means A3 plus D. So A3 value 0, D value 2, it is equals to 2. Next to A5. A5 equals to A4 plus D. A4 is 2 and D value also 2. Then A5 equals to 4. So A2 value minus 2, A3 value 0, A4 value 2 and A5 value 4. Next fifth problem, A2 equals to 38, A6 equals to minus 22. So A2 equals to 38, A2 equals to 38. So A2 nothing but A plus D equals to 38, equation 1. Next A6 equals to minus 22, A6 equals to minus 22. So A6 means A plus 5D equals to minus 22. So this is equation 2. So use elimination method to solve the two equations. First equation is A plus D equals to 38. First you have to write the equations like this. Next to A plus 5D equals to minus 22. A plus 5D equals to minus 22. Now change the symbols for the second equation. Second equation is A plus 5D equals to minus 22. Here A is a positive, then it will become negative. 5D is a positive, so then it is negative. Minus 22 is a negative, then it will become positive. Now what happened here? Plus A minus A cancel. Now D minus 5D. D minus 5D is minus 4D. Next to 38 plus 22. Here it is plus because already symbol changed. So 38 plus 22. It is equals to 60. So it is 60. So minus 4D minus 4 into D equals to 60. So then D equals to 60 divided by minus 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 5s are 20. Then D equals to minus 15. So now we have to find out A1, A3, A4, A5. A1, A3, A4, A5. So first A1. So A1 nothing but A. So what is the A value here? Sorry, A value not completed now. So let us find out the A value. So to find out the A value, substitute D value in any equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. So I am substituting in the equation 1. So what is the equation 1? A plus D equals to 38 is the equation 1. So A plus D equals to 38. So A plus D value minus 15 equals to 38. So A equals to 38 minus 15 will become plus 15. Then A value how much? So 5 plus 8, 13, 1 carry, 4, 5. 53 is a value. Okay. So now find out A1, A3, A4, A5. A1, A3, A4, A5. So first A1 nothing but A. So what is the A value? That is 53. Next A3 means A plus 2D. it is equals to 53 plus 2 into what is the d value? Minus 15. So 53, 2 into minus 15 is minus 30. 53 plus minus 30 is 23. So A3 value 23. Next to A4. A4 nothing but A plus 3D. Otherwise A3 plus D. So A3 value 23 plus D value how much? Minus 15. So minus 15. So 23 plus minus 15 is 8. Next to A5. A5 equals to A4 plus D. So what is the A4 value? 8 is the A4 value. 8 plus D value minus 15. 8 plus minus 15 is minus 7. So A5 value minus 7. So A1 value 53, A3 value 23, A4 value 8 and A5 value minus 7. So finally third bit completed. Now I will give some homework problems. The first question is A4 equals to 10, A9 equals to 20, find A15. Second question, A1 equals to minus 2, A10 equals to 16, find A3. Third question, A3 equals to 5, A4 equals to 10, find A1, A2 and A5. Next last question, A7 equals to 8, A1 equals to 1, find A2 and A8. So what we have learned in this class, so the topic is nth term of arithmetic progression and third bit of exercise 2 problems completed in this class, and number of homework questions is 4. I hope you understand this class. Send your homework through WhatsApp. Don't copy from others and don't share your answers to others. Thank you.